Everyone says you need $1 million to be financially free, but that's a lie. Not even millionaires are financially free, and some people get there with just half of that. So what's the real number then? The one that lets you sleep at night, do what you want and never have to worry about paying bills. Again, I'll show you, and it's way less than you think. Picture this, you wake up, no alarms, no deadlines, no boss breathing down your neck. Your bills are being paid by money you invested years ago. It's not about being rich, but being untouchable. Your time belongs to you. And the crazy part, most people could reach it way earlier than you think, if they stopped chasing the wrong goal. Society lied to you. It told you to chase income, not freedom. And income doesn't buy freedom. Assets do. Your expenses determine your freedom number, not your salary. A high expenses with high salary is just a golden cage. A moderate salary with high investments is a freedom accelerator. The average US lifestyle is about $4,000 a month. That's $48,000 a year. So here's the key formula. Freedom number equals yearly expenses divided by expected returns. So that's 480,000. So yes, around 480,000 invested in the S&P could theoretically cover your lifestyle forever. And if you live cheaper, 3,000 a month, that's 360,000. And if you want more comfort, 6,000 a month, that's 720,000. A freedom killer, lifestyle inflation. Now here's the silent killer. The closest the people get to freedom, the more they sabotage it. You get a raise, you upgrade your car, you move to a nicer apartment, and then you go from spending 3,000 a month to 5,550. And like that, your freedom number just jumped from 360,000 to 660k without noticing. That's why people making 200k a year still feel broke. Their lifestyle expands faster than their investment. Once you know your number, everything changes. You stop comparing yourself to people flashing money online. You stop buying things to look wealthy, and you start buying assets to become wealthy. And the biggest twist? Almost everyone can cut their expenses by $500 a month without downgrading their lifestyle. And that reduces freedom target by 60,000. Freedom isn't about massive changes, but tiny decisions made consciously for years. Here's how you can accelerate the process. Increase income in the short term. Invest aggressively in broad market ETFs. Keep fixed expenses low. Automate your investing. And avoid debt and expensive upgrades. That combination turns the S&P 500 into a life-changing machine. Your freedom is inside the habits you build today.